Hi everyone, it's Miss Baker. This is our third language intervention activity. So today we are going to be working on vocabulary. So these vocabulary terms I have cut out, and they are all vocabulary terms that present in this story. So if you need to go back to that audio book, or you need to look through this book again, you're welcome to find all of those words in the story. So again, just working on seeing that word in context and how it's used is going to help us define this word. A lot of times whenever we're working on definitions, I like for my students to find a synonym that relates directly to that definition, because that's going to allow us to define it. So our first word is plucked. Okay, so that actually happens when turkey is dressed as a daffodil. Okay, so let's go back to that page and see exactly how it's used in context. Okay, so it's here. Alrighty. It says, "Abort, abort," whispered Sheep. Turkey bolted just before he got plucked. So what does it mean to get plucked? Okay, so it's obviously an action. It has ed on the end. So a word that I would be looking for them to say would be to pick, to be picked, right? So when you pluck a flower, you go down to the ground and you stomp the stem and you pick it up, okay? The next word is bolted, okay? So let's look for that in the story and see how it is presented, okay? Okay, this is actually another good one. So stay on the same page. We're going to look at bouquet, okay? So this is different because it's not an action. A bouquet is actually a noun. So we can talk about that, okay? So pulling this word, read it in context and get their idea and see what they think bouquet means, or if they've ever heard someone use that word in a different way, okay? So it says, Mabel Mayberry glanced down. "Oh, what an extremely beautiful flower. I think I will take it home for my Easter bouquet." Okay, so what's an Easter bouquet? Why would someone have one of those in the spring? So then start talking about that and eventually work your way to, okay, it is a group of flowers, right? So it's something that we put together and they make them look really nice and we get them on special occasions. Okay, so again, just working through each of these vocabulary terms. And again, with any questions that you may have, send me an email.